This is a bonus section for our CocoaSwiftPlayer application. When I'm playing a song, I already have a playing progress displaying in here and also the status bar app. In fact, I also want to display this progress next to our icon of the status item. So I'm going to implement this. First of all, in order to access the status item, we make use of the status item object, which is created from the singleton of the NSStatusBar.system status bar. We are already using it in our app delegate method, and we know that we are currently using the player manager to keep track of the current playing progress. So basically, I want to set a reference to the status item in our player manager and then update the value accordingly. First of all, on the right side, I have this player manager opened. I'm going to create a variable status item within this class, and then according to the display here, status item from this system status bar is an object of NSStatusItem. I'm going to put this here as well. Then in our app delegate, we are going to set this status item to our player manager using the singleton we created before, the shared manager, and then access these status items and set it with the status item we created here. I'm just setting it this way to make sure I'm referring to the same object. Instead, you could link up the status item within the player manager using the same syntax here as well. And then previously we set a title here. Actually, this is an old property to set the text displaying in the status item. However, this one is deprecated already, and the new way to set the text will be using the button.title. So I'm going to remove this line as well. Then the title and the image will be set inside the button. By default, they will be overlapping each other. To prevent this, I could set the position of the image. Say I could set the image position here to be on the left, so that when the image is shown and the text is shown at the same time, image will be displayed on the left and text will be displayed on the right. So at this point, we already make a reference of the status item within the player manager, and also we have set the image position. Now is the time to update the progress text when we are playing the song. At the moment, update progress is the function responsible to update the song progress. We could also say here to update that text based on the timer created within this player manager. We now have the access to the status item. We could just use the optional value here. So the system will check whether this is new for us already, and access the button.title here. If all of these are available, we are able to set a string value. And within this class, we already created the attribute of song progress text, which is the string value of the current song progress. Now if I run the application, and then start playing a song, the playing progress will be updated next to our status bar image as well. The second bonus I want to show you today is about this Slack group. This is a new community we just created yesterday to bring the Cocoa app developers around the world together. So far we have something about 50 members, to be exact 47, and we hope to grow this number to 100 within this weekend. In order to join this community, you can navigate to this link here and then type your email. The system will send you an invitation automatically. If you are also a Cocoa developer, please come to join us in our new Cocoa app developers communities, and I will see you there.